In this video, we will power on and inspect the Axial Capra before our first test run. Let's start by looking at the functions of the transmitter. This is the throttle. This is forward. This is reverse.
This is left. This is right.
These controls adjust the steering trim, throttle trim, along with the steering rate and brake rate. The trim knobs are used to set a neutral or center point for the steering trim or throttle. The steering rate and brake rate adjust the endpoints for the steering and brake. On the top, we can see the LED indicator for power. We can see buttons to reverse the servos and also to limit the throttle. If a Spectrum Smart battery is used, there are also lights to indicate the battery level. This Spectrum DX3 transmitter requires 4 AA batteries. 4 alkaline batteries were included with the Axial Capra RTR. I'll use them until they're drained and then replace them with rechargeable AA batteries. Please keep in mind that most places that recycle rechargeable batteries will also recycle or dispose of alkaline batteries. Now we will reinstall the battery cover. The power switch for the transmitter is located in the rear near the top. The LED indicator will light up when the transmitter is on. The battery for the Axial Capra is installed underneath the hood. 2 clips below the hood and tube chassis hold down the hood. We will now remove the hood clips. Now we will open the hood. We will be using this Electron Pro LiPo battery. I chose the Electron Pro LiPo battery because it was in stock at a local retailer and it was small enough to fit in the Axial Capra. This battery is marketed as 11.1 volts, 1800 mAh, and 3S. This battery has an XT60 connector. The Capra has an IC3 connector. In order to make this battery work with the Capra, I'm using an adapter from XT60 to IC3. With the battery connected, we will set the adapter and battery cable below first. Once the adapter and cable are at the bottom, we'll then install the battery. We will now reinstall the clips to hold down the hood. The inverted placement of the clips really gives the Axial Capra a clean look. In this view, looking from the rear toward the front, we can see the power button. The power button is in the back of the driver's seat. Once the power is on, we can see that the LED headlights and LED bar is on. We can quickly demonstrate the front steering. Now we can demonstrate the rear steering using the switch on the transmitter. I'll pick up the Axial Capra to demonstrate the throttle. Thanks for powering on and inspecting the Axial Capra with me. I look forward to taking the Axial Capra on the first test run. If you haven't yet, subscribe now. Comments and likes are welcome. Thank you for watching.